Take.
Hi, I'm Matt. So, Take, we're back again. We're looking at some more clips of British kids.
Exciting.
I want you to react to their vocabulary, pronunciation, accents. You can try and guess what they're saying.
Okay, great.
Alright, let's go. This clip we're looking at a girl and her mum is asking her what she wants from the shops.
Me want Aldi.
You want the garlic meal out Aldi?
Yeah.
What else do you want me to get you?
What else did you get me?
Nothing.
Sausages for the caravan. I ate two.
You ate 2 of them, did you?
I ate the sausage too.
Want
Somebody got me sausage too.
Yeah.
For the caravan. Somebody got them.
Yeah.
For the caravan.
For the caravan, You excited?
What? What? I had no idea.
So, where's she from?
Scotland?
Scotland!
Of course. Of course. So you don't understand her?
No, it's difficult. I understood bits and pieces, but like, it's very difficult to understand what she is saying.
Was that English?
It's English! Yes.
It could be in some other language, not English. I couldn't understand it at all. I think she said caravan.
She did say caravan.
And, I don't know, sauce?
Not sauce. Sausages.
Sausages?
Sausages for the caravan! So I presume they're going on some kind of camping trip and mum's asking, what do you want, right? And she wants sausages for the caravan. I ate 2.
I what?
I ate 2.
Oh, they went camping already?
I don't know!
Or they...
Because mum asks, what do you want?
Right.
And then she says, sausages for the caravan. I ate 2. But that's the wrong tense.
Okay, so
Maybe
she's going to eat
Maybe
2.
she's going to eat 2, or last time they went, she ate 2. I don't know. You have to ask her.
She's a kid. Yeah.
She's a kid. Right, let's move on to the next clip. Our next clip, we're looking at a girl. She's angry at her sister for using her iPad charger. So let's get into it.
Thanks a lot, you idiot. Thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, my charger's not charging on my iPad because it's got used to your iPad instead of mine. It's not charging my iPad and it's all your fault. I hope you're happy because I've told Mom.
I hope you're happy because I told my mom. She sent it to her sister?
I believe so, yeah. So in this case we're looking at, I believe, and I'm not sure because I couldn't actually find it, I believe this is Lancashire, which is northwest. How clear was this one for you?
It was clearer than
okay.
the last one, definitely. And when she's happy, it's like, I don't know, happy.
Yeah.
Happy. Her sister used...
So I believe
charger,
her sister used her charger to charge her own iPad, and now the charger's not working, and this girl is blaming her sister and saying it's got used to, you know, her sister's iPad instead of her iPad. It's no longer charging her own iPad. So she's angry that her sister's ruined her charger.
But it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't really make sense. My guess is Rachel, in this case, the sister, has broken the charger and it's not charging at all. We don't have any information, we have no updates. Who knows? Right, let's move on to another clip. Okay, so this clip, we have a boy, he's talking about his work at school and how his teacher reacted. Let's give it a watch.
I was doing my work this morning at school, and I finished, and I took it to Miss McDonald, and I said, "I've done." She says, "You've not done because," and I said, "I have done." And she said, "You've not. Look, I've done more than one sentence." And she said, "You haven't." Well, and then I said, "Look, there's full stops here. You'll be on 2 pages if you've done more than one sentence." So I comes, does me wrong fixes me wrong things. And then I showed her, and I said, "Just put it in box, I'm sick of hearing you now." And so I put it in box, and I thought, I have done. When she marks it, she'll be surprised, and she'll say sorry to me. And that was it.
What?
I don't know about you, but this is difficult for me.
Okay.
In this case, we're looking at Yorkshire.
Yorkshire
Accent. I struggle with this one, and part of it is because he is talking with a way that's very difficult to understand. Like he kind of drags out. I have done, and like he like trying to work out what he's saying in his story, and like he uses sentences that don't make sense. It's very confusing, right? And particularly what I like is she said put it in box, and so I put it in box. It's not put it in the box. It's very put it in box, right? And it's not like I showed her the homework. He uses particularly local dialect for this speaking. It's a very strong Yorkshire accent. The beginning part.
I was doing my work this morning at school.
I was doing my work at school.
Okay, so my work.
Yeah.
Me work.
But it says me work, right?
The grammar's.
The grammar's not correct, you know, but that's how they speak in Yorkshire, right?
I knew what he was saying. I knew what he was talking about because you told me about
Yeah,
but I wouldn't understand if you hadn't.
He's got majestic hair though.
I love it. He has a caravan vibe.
Alright, let's have a look at the next clip. So, we're on the next clip. We're looking at parenting in Liverpool. Okay, so we're looking at the Scouse accent, which is a very particular accent. So, good luck.
No, because I said maybe. I don't appreciate your tone. I said I don't think it's a very good idea for you to eat a Kinder bar right now. What? You've got a bit of an attitude. Yeah. Oh, being aggressive now? Well, that's that then. I think it's about time we wrap this up, don't you? Ooh. Oh, now you're copying me. I suppose you think that's really funny, do you?
So, yeah.
Wait. You wouldn't say that was English, right? The baby.
No, the baby is,
baby was...
as we've probably said before, the baby is babbling.
Babbling.
Yeah, babbling. Did you understand the mum?
Yeah, I got some twangs from her words. So when she says funny, she says like funny.
Yeah, there's a very strong twang.
But other parts, you know,
it's okay.
Like, it was okay. I think I'm getting used to this kind of accent these days.
But don't try to understand the baby.
Don't understand the baby. Is this the accent I need to understand this time?
Right, let's move on to another clip.
Okay.
So this clip is very short.
Okay.
She's got something in her pocket.
What have you got in your pocket, Nanny? What have you got in your pocket?
I love this one. I know it's really short. I know there's not much to look at, but just the idea of this innocent girl just going. So yeah, in this case, I want to focus on the fact that he said, what have you got in your pocket for nanny? Nanny is a phrase we use to describe a grandmother. So I have two grandmothers. One of them I called grandma, and the other one I called nanny.
Same meaning.
It's the same meaning, but like that's how we know which is which. I have no idea on the accent. I could not find. It sounds northern, so I'm going to guess northern. I don't know. Well, let's move on to the next clip. So we're looking at a small girl. She's doing the ice bucket challenge.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah, so the ice bucket challenge was to raise money for the charity for, I think it's ALS. So yeah, you would usually tag someone in and say, I nominate these people, and then they throw a bucket of ice over their head. We have a small girl, she's going to do it.
Look out.
What?
Fucking hell.
That was the only part I understood. And first, she said something challenge. Right?
Yes.
But she wasn't saying ice bucket challenge.
I think she said water challenge.
Water
That's what it sounded like to me. Yeah, so in this case we're looking at Birmingham.
I'm sorry, it wasn't English.
Right, let's move on to our next clip. Alright, so our next clip we have a car and they're in the car and there's a monkey on the car. Family is reacting to the monkey on the car.
Okay.
Look at my windscreen washers.
He's still on
He's
there.
on my roof eating something.
That's right, Hugo. Ow, didn't eat me. Look at the camera. Where are we?
Get off.
Ah, monkey on the car.
Monkey on the car.
Fuck off.
I don't know why it's so funny. He's so like tame about it as well. He's like, oh, monkey on the car. Fuck off.
He was so innocent and
Yeah,
then all
yeah.
of a sudden he says fuck.
Yeah. So yeah, in this case we're looking at Somerset. Somerset is in the southwestern side of the country. We're
Okay.
near West Country, I believe.
Oh,
We
cool.
did a video before with the boy and his Mothew. So kind of similar area.
I see.
Right, let's have a look at another clip. This clip, we're looking at a girl. She is with her newborn sister who's hungry.
I don't have any milk in my nipples. Really? What, Mummy?
You funny?
Why? I have actually got nipples.
I know.
Hey,
What?
she thinks that's a booby. My chest.
She tried to drink your milk.
No, I haven't got any milk. It's just my chest. What's she doing?
Did you understand?
I think so. I understood what she was saying. So the baby was trying to drink milk,
Yep.
and then she was saying, "I don't have boobies."
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
have any milk in my nipples.
And they said, yeah.
Did you recognize the accent?
No, but
Do you want to guess?
oh no, when her mom said funny,
Yeah.
sounded like funny.
Yeah.
So
Which one?
Yorkshire.
Yorkshire!
Really?
Yorkshire!
But that was clearer.
Yeah, it was much
Way
more easy,
clearer,
much more
yeah.
easier to
Yeah.
understand. The mum sounds stronger, but the girl doesn't sound too strong. Right, let's move on to the next clip. So this clip, we have a boy and he's cleaning. His sister is filming him.
Okay.
Here we go.
What? What did you think?
English?
English!
That was the sound was not clear.
The sound was not clear, I will
Yeah.
give you that.
Who was talking what? About what?
I mean, I'm not really too bothered about the talking so much. What did you gain from this clip? What did you think?
So, is there some mystery going on here? Like, was it funny? Was it supposed to be funny?
Not so much.
Like, for me, I was waiting for the moment.
Yeah,
like,
me too.
That's the point of this video?
No,
Something happened in this video?
not too much. But I wanted you to react to this video because
Is it you?
yeah! I thought you would get it, right?
Okay. Didn't see that coming.
really tried to find a funny video and there's nothing. Right? So, obviously this was a clip of me. I'm from Essex, that's the south of England. Essex is known for having quite a strong accent, but my accent is kind of more standard English, I guess.
Okay.
And then obviously being teaching American English for 5 years, my accent is going. I am no longer saying schedule, I'm saying schedule. You know, we're no longer on tomatoes, we're on tomatoes.
You say water?
No, we're not there yet. We're close, we're close.
So you used to be a British kid?
I used to be a British kid. So, that's it.
Yeah.
What did you think?
That was funny. I guess that was the most difficult.
But I think, you know, even though it's difficult, it's quite amusing to watch.
Yeah,
And that kind of makes it more fun to try and work it out. So, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
See ya!